Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Lisa from Pink Holly Bush Designs, and I design children's sewing patterns, mostly for knit fabrics. I hear from so many of you that you would love to try knit fabrics, but you're afraid of them. And I get it. They are different than woven fabrics, but different doesn't have to be scary. So how do I help you? When I'm here, you're there, and probably neither of us has a fabric store nearby, because knit fabrics, any fabric, needs to be felt to be understood. Well, I've got a solution. Enjoying the World of Knit Fabrics workbook, companion fabric pack, and video lesson that walks you through each of the knit fabrics. But there's a lot more besides just that in here. So come on, let me show you. So we're going to start with understanding how knit fabric is created and how it's different from wovens. From there, we're going to go into the different types of knits, and you can see that there's a spot to attach each of the fabrics in your fabrics pack so that you have it for reference going forward. We'll go into how you classify knits, both by weight and by stretch, how you plan out a project, what helpful notions you need, what needs to be stabilized, how you, what stitches you're going to use. And you do not need a serger. Serger tips are given, but this covers your different seam finishes and assumes that you just have a basic zigzag machine. From there, we'll go into 7 different types of necklines. Now, I know that seems like a lot, but if you have a great neckline, you're going to have a great knit garment. And you can see there are step-by-step photos in color on how to do each of the necklines. And from there, we'll go into finishing details and how to make sure you avoid that wavy hem. I hope you're going to give knits a try and that you'll check out the Enjoying the World of Knits book. Happy sewing.